Thank you very much.
Thank you. N.K. Premachandran.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, I fully support this bill. But I would like to make mention certain very important aspect regarding the legislative practice. Sir, this Constitution ST Order 4th Amendment Bill 2022 Karnataka. And yesterday 2 bills were passed. The same character and the same type of 2 bills are passed. And we are coming for another bill, 4th bill. Sir, this government is always a government of contradictions. And this government is giving least priority to the seriousness of the legislative practice. The careless way in which the drafting and the careless way in which the bill are being pushed to this house is quite unfortunate and not even heard in the legislative history of Indian Parliament. Why I am saying is today morning, the Honorable Law Minister has introduced a bill, the Repealing and Amendment Bill 2022. In which more than 100 bills, including appropriation acts, have to be abolished. So they want to minimize the number of acts in the legislative document and the register of legislative, in the list of register of the legislations. But the same day, same character, more or less same nomenclature, content, everything is same. 4 bills are being pushed to the House. And each bill is being allotted separate time, and the legislative time is being spent on this issue, means it is a very bad and unhealthy legislative practice. That is why I am saying that the government has no business. The government has no business, nothing to do with the government. So many bills are pending. Now we are having 4 bills of the same character is being discussed every day, means the government is not giving any serious observation to the legislative practice. That is my number one objection.
But I think you have to give credit to the Tribal Affairs Minister.
Definitely, the Tribal Affairs Ministry is here and he is patiently hearing all of us and he is replying to all the members, responding to all the members. We are thankful to the Minister. And I urge upon the Minister, I request to the Honorable Minister, in every state, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, even in my state, in every state, these types of issues are there. So I also request for having a comprehensive legislation. Let the Honorable Minister, you may please take initiative, appoint a commission. Already a commission is there, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes is there. Entrust the responsibility with the National Commission for the Scheduled Tribes so as to find out all these issues in consultation with the states and have a comprehensive legislation so as to avoid all these difficulties. That is the first suggestion which I would like to make. And regarding the contents of the bill, sir, if you come to the contents of the bill, what is the impact of the inclusion of certain communities under Scheduled Tribe by virtue of Article 342 and 346. Article 342 and 346 is dealt with the Scheduled Tribe, by which you are made a schedule. What is the impact of including a community in a particular schedule, in the Scheduled Tribe? There means their culture, their tradition, employment, education has to be protected for the welfare being of these deprived sections of the society. Dear Chairman, sir, I would like to say that the Scheduled Tribes and Scheduled Castes are the most deprived section of the society compared to other backward communities or other communities. But it is quite unfortunate to say that even after 75 years of independence, this discrimination is still there. And I would like to say after 1991, if you examine the reservation facility which is available to the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe is indirectly being taken away because of the neoliberal structure economic policies. What is the policy? The direct impact of the globalization is for the poor Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe people, because rampant and indiscriminate privatization of the public sector undertakings and also unaided educational institutions are grooming like anything. Education and employment, these are the 2 areas by which the social and financial empowerment of a particular community can be put up or can be improved.
Yes.
But if you are having the rampant privatization and also rampant privatization downsizing of the government, BSNL 75,000 people have already been downsized. Who is affected? The scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people are being affected. So my point is, including a particular community into a scheduled tribe or in a scheduled caste, there is no impact because there is no job, there is no educational facilities because everything is being rampantly privatized. In such a situation, even merely inclusion of a community will never serve the purpose of social justice. That in that case, you have to change the policies accordingly. So my last point is regarding just E.T. Muhammad Bashir Sahib has said, Maulana Abdul Kalam Fellowship for the research students, it is being scrapped, it is being taken away. Pre-matric scholarship for the scheduled tribes taken away. Sir, I urge upon the government, please reintroduce it. It is the necessity and need of the students who are marginalized because of the social and historic reasons. If social justice has to be achieved, definitely this thing should be continued. With these words, I support the bill. Thank you.